In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the area for products and services. This is where you can create the item that people will purchase as their event ticket. Think of the ticket as a product listing. So the setup process follows the same general structure as creating any item for sale on your site. Next, enter the name of your event in the product name field. Make sure the title is clear and specific so visitors immediately understand what the ticket is for. A simple direct name works best here, especially if you want to avoid confusion during checkout. After that, move to the description box and add the product details. This is where you can explain what the ticket includes and give visitors the essential information they need before buying. Keep the wording easy to read and organized so customers can quickly understand what they are purchasing. Then add your event images by dragging and dropping them into the images section. Photos help the listing look more polished and professional. They can also make the event feel more appealing, so choose visuals that represent the experience well and match the tone of your event. Once the images are in place, set your ticket price in the pricing field. This is the amount customers will pay at checkout, so double-check it before moving on. It is always a good idea to make sure the price reflects the type of event and matches what you want displayed on the product page. Next, find the unlimited stock setting and switch it off. Then enter the maximum number of tickets available based on your venue capacity. This step is very important because it prevents overselling and helps you stay within the limits of your event space. After that, scroll down to the checkout settings inside the product panel. In this section, click Create New Form. This allows you to collect any information you want from attendees during checkout. It is a useful way to keep the purchase process organized and gather details connected to the ticket sale. Finally, click Save to apply everything you have entered. Once saved, your event ticket setup will be in place and ready for the next stage of your sales process on Squarespace. That covers everything you need to know.